Should I go with consular processing or adjustment of status? That's a very frequently asked question. My name is Ati Alipur. I'm an attorney at Hudson Law, and I will try to break down each method and which benefits each may have, and then hopefully you can choose the one that fits best your purposes. Please note that the content of this video does not constitute legal advice. So, what's the difference between consular processing or adjustment of status? If you're applying through consular processing, it means everything about your immigrant visa will be processed outside the US. You'll get a visa, you'll enter the US, and then you kind of get your card issued in the US, but everything else is outside. If you're going through adjustment of status, everything is being processed inside the US. In order to even be qualified for this, you need to be in the US and you need to be on a valid status. Now, if you have both options, which one is better for you? It really depends on your preferences. For example, if you're filing for adjustment of status, it means you will be in the US and you can stay seamlessly. Let's say someone is on a student visa, now they have an approved I-140, they want to stay in the US until their petition is processed. The best way would be to go with adjustment of status. However, there are certain caveats that you need to look for. One is that if you are filing for adjustment of status, you can also file for travel permit and work authorization through forms I-765 and I-131. If you want to leave the country, you should wait for your I-130 to be approved. Otherwise, you will be abandoning your status. So this means you need to stay put for a while. And I have clients who say, but I can't, but I have a lot going on and I'm still in the US, but I don't know how long I can be in the US. I may need to travel every month. If that's the case, you need to file for consular processing so that you don't abandon your status. You can file for consular processing even if you're inside the US. That means your case will be processed outside the US. But on the other hand, there may be some gaps in between. Let's say the process takes longer, your status finishes, it means you have to leave the country, wait for your visa, or use another type of visa to enter the US. So depending on your situation, you can make those decisions. The only thing that you need to look for is making sure that you have that travel permit before leaving the country. Now, if you have applied for adjustment of status or consular processing, you may be able to switch between the two. Just make sure that you do not abandon your status. You need to consult with an immigration attorney if you're doing that kind of complex switching, especially if you have filed for adjustment of status. Now you want to go through consular processing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more videos like this.